In this Java tutorial, we will learn how switch condition statements work. While developing a program, sometimes we want a block of code to run only when the specified conditions are met. If the desired conditions are not met, we don't run the block of code. We can use switch blocks to do this. Let's make a switch example. I create a char variable. The value of the variable is z. This is the entire switch block. Here I introduce the variable to be used in the switch. If the variable is a, this code block will run. If the variable is b, this code block will run. If the variable is c, this code block will run. In some cases, the variable may be different. In this case, the default block I defined will run. Since the variable value is currently z, the default block will run. Let's make the other blocks work by changing the value of the variable. Let's run the first block for the example. Let's try running the second block. Let's run the third block. It's that simple. In some cases, we want to combine two cases. For example, we want to run a block of code if the variable is b or c. I combine the blocks to do this. If the variable value is c, bad will be written on the screen. If the variable value is b, bad will be written on the screen again. If either of two conditions occurs, the same code block will be executed. If the variable value is a, the first code block will be executed. If the variable value is not a, b, or c, the default code block will be executed. In this Java tutorial, we'll learn how switch block work. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.